Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I have a new video for you. Hopefully to make this a new series. I already have the What Sold video that I do every Tuesday or Wednesday depending on when I can get them up. But this time I wanted to show you what I do on the weekends, just the weekends. I sold over 100 items on the weekends. There was a bunch of plush, probably about 55 or 60 plush. I'll show you all of those. I'll show you the collectibles. And I'll show you the video games that I've sold. I hardly have any video games left, so but yeah, why not make this a series every week? I'll go through, and before I ship everything out, I'll let you know and show you everything I'm sending out, so you'll get an idea what's selling, what's not selling. Anyways, sorry about the shaky camera when I was doing the plush. This is kind of an impromptu video, so I didn't bring my camera stand. So when I was going through the bag, it was a little bit shaky. So hopefully will be next week, I will bring the camera stand, so everything will be nice and steady, not not all not all shaky like it was. Anyways, please subscribe if you're new, give the video a thumbs up, and let's get right into the video. Alright, I'm at my desk, and for eBay I sold 113 items for $19.43 this weekend. That's from Friday to now, which is what? 8:04 p.m. on Sunday. On Mercari, let's see, I sold this one little guy. So 114, and Bonanza I show, not ship 3. So 117 I sold total this weekend. Yeah, so not great. Average selling price about $17, $18. A lot of low selling items. Well, my games, I hardly have any games left, so all the low ones are left. That I try to keep the price up some, but it's very hard because they just keep dropping and dropping. These are the games that sold. All these are gonna pack up. There's a Mario game. About what? 3, 6, 7 Switch games? 3, 6. Yeah, it looks like 7. Couple Vita games, couple DS games. Let me show you what I have left of my games. Alright, this is what I have left. I have this right here. This shelf. Here's my tape gun. That shelf's empty. That's the only Switch games I have left. Just 2 little stacks. Remember, if you saw my other video where I bought them, I had a table full, and then I had the ground full, and I had some of the floor full. This shelf is completely empty. I moved some junk in here, I should say. Those games are all empty. Those are empty cases. Up there where I used to have some, those are completely empty. The only thing I have left, let's see, even half of this shelf is empty. The only thing I have left is this right here, and that right there. Out of all the, I don't know how many games, hundreds, ton of games. Alright, so I'm going to go get these all bagged up, and then I will start showing you the collectibles and plush that I sold for this weekend. Alright. Before I show you the collectibles, I wanted to show you something. This disc, as you can see, is lightly scuffed. It has fingerprints. It's not in the greatest shape. I used this stuff right here. Let me show you. It's called Novus. Plastic, clear and shine, anti-fog, blah blah blah. This stuff is great. Just spray it on there. I use it also for Beanie Babies and anything with plastic eyes. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but get it all off. This is just a green soft rag. But this should take it almost all off and even remove some of the light scratches in it. There you go. And there you go. Pretty much good as new. I'll put a link down below for the Novus if you want to buy any. Oh, there's a little thing right there that I missed. But I'll get that off. See where my finger is? I'll get that off with the liquid. Anyways, let's get on to the collectibles. I'll show you what I sold this week. Alright, let's move on to the collectibles that I sold. I sold a lot of these. Oops, this guy's supposed to... I got this set and this one. I wonder if this... Oh, that one sings. I got this. For the prices of these, I'm going to leave that up to the What's Sold video that I do on either Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm not going to go through all the prices because I have just too much to mail. I don't I don't have all day to ship. This is a Mario mug. And it's very... They really packed it crappy. What I do is the paper that you get from the back of the labels, I will fill that in. I don't use bubble wrap. I mean, I have bubble wrap, but I rarely use bubble wrap anymore because I got so many of these labels. I have boxes and boxes of these labels because like I ship out 100 almost every weekend. So usually about 300 a week. So I have a ton of labels. So I always just do that. Let me put the lid on this. I'm going to show you what else sold real fast. More of the Freddy Krueger sold. I have this Texas Chainsaw guy. Another pin. You know I love the pins. The pins, they weigh nothing, and man, they sell like crazy lately. This Legends Malekith. A bunch of these Poopsies slimes started selling. You can see all that. This thing I've had for a while. It fell off and I forgot to relist it. It's a little statue. Here's a bunch of pops. We've got Raiden. A few Batman. I just listed these guys. I think this last week. I've got the Aquaman, Mr. Bean, another Batman, Rick and Morty, the Batman Chase, another Mr. Bean. What else we have? This is Ulysses Clow? Power Ranger. A bunch of Power Rangers are selling. I don't know what's going on with Power Rangers. Squinkle Dewdrops. These haven't sold in a while. I picked these up a long time ago. I believe I got them at Kohl's. A stack of these guys. These Power Rangers. I just put them up this week. The Green Ranger. I only have, I believe, like 2 left of these guys. So they're selling very, very well. What else we have? This Loot Anime. Yume. That's Yume. I know by heart now. That's a mug. I don't want to open it because the box is a little wonky and I don't want to have to repair the box. This is an alien pencil sharpener. And like I said, I'll tell you the prices of most of these items tomorrow, or, well, not tomorrow. Tuesday or Wednesday when I do my what's sold. This is just basically a rundown of what I sold on this weekend. Deal or no deal. And if you're interested in watching more of these videos of what I sold, packing Sunday items, let me know. I'm trying to get a different series because I already have the series of what's sold. I'm trying to get something else during the week. This is a Litten. Ember, Pokemon. I just listed this too. So anything like this, list it right now. These things are selling crazy. This is it's a t-shirt. It's what is it? Galaga t-shirt. I don't want to unfold it. I already it's already nice. This is a 3D model. Trying to zoom out some. I've got this Iron Fist guy. He's a huge I'm not saying huge, but he's a pretty good sized figure. I have the Batman and Catwoman moment. The Darth Vader helmet. Ooh, I showed you these guys.
Impressive. Most impressive.
This guy finally sold. Or girl, I should say. Sayaro figure. Sold a blanket over here. And 3 sets of these guys sold. Toy Story, Buzz, Woody. That's about it for the collectibles. Let me get all the collectibles packed up. And did I show you the dice? Love the dice. Let me get the collectibles packed up and I'll show you what Plush sold. Before I show you the plush, I want to show you how I pack pops and a whole bunch of different items. Let me just show you how I pack a pop. Put them nice in the corner. This box is 6x6x4. I get the backing of the labels. Just crumble it up. Man, this is harder to do with one hand. Stick it on the sides. Stick some of these on top. And this stuff doesn't weigh anything. So, I mean, it really doesn't weigh anything. And that's it. It's ready to go. I like to put a top sheet just to protect the plastic on the pop right here. I do 1 or 2 top sheets. And yeah, it's ready to go. I do seal it. It doesn't move. And that's, I mean, I'll pack glassware. I'll pack everything like this. These plastic or whatever they are, they're not plastic. They're, what are they? They're like, they're just the sheets off the back of the label. I don't know what material they are, but they're great packing material. So if you have some, save them and save on bubble wrap. Alright, last but not least, let me show you all the plush that's sold. I got a little Pokemon. I'm going to try to go fast because I have 2 bags full of plush. That's all. This guy's a dragon from the Great Wolf Lodge. We got a little Build-A-Bear dog. You got to pull back some so you can see a little, what is that? Ladybug? This Pikachu turns into a Pokeball. So that one's pretty cool. We got Tootie. Little moose. We got a ton of plush. This is a set from Kohl's. You can see I paid $2.50. I got even bigger discount because I bought cases. I don't know where Mickey is, but there's a set of 2. I've been, whoops, I'm dropping things. Got a little koala bear, and the thing's falling again. Alright, let's get him aside, get Minnie out of here. Let's keep going. I got this Mickey Mouse. So you gotta go through this fast. I want to be here all day. Care Bear. This is a set of 6 bunny rabbits that I just lotted together. Here's 1 of them, or 2 of them. There's the 3rd. See if I can find them all. There's the 4th. There's the 5th. And the other one's hiding somewhere. Anyways, that's a lot of bunny rabbits. Another one of those that I said, what the heck. Just throw them together. I'm tired of doing these things. Here's a Care Bear. Another one. a little duck, a rhino. What else is here? Giraffe. That's from, I think it's from Unipack. Set of 2 minions. Whoops, he's rolling around. Like I said, I have a bunch of things to mail off today. Big Bird. And like I said, tell me in the comments. Let me know if you're interested in me doing this every week. Letting you know what I sold. Getting a glimpse of everything I sold on the weekend. There's a little guy. I know for sure I didn't get much for him. I've had him on for years. There's the other minion. He's got a little spot there I gotta take care of before I ship him off. A Ram's bear. Another Tootie. I just listed these Tooties, so probably listed them too low. But whatever, I'm getting rid of stuff. I'm happy to get rid of stuff, especially what's going on right now in the world. I'm happy to get rid of all this stuff, and since I'll have my Gaylords coming soon, hopefully, whenever I can get out there. I mean, I'm trapped right now. I mean, not really trapped, but it's a stay-at-home order. So, yeah. So I can't really go do anything. Here's a little stuck on you giraffe. He's pretty cool. And I got these little... Oh, Caritina. There's one elf. There's that guy. And there's a set of 3 Squishimals. There's the price tag. I paid 90% off of that. So 29 cents each. So that's a good little buy right there. Those sold. Now I have Elena towel, Shopkins towel, Frozen towel, and what is this? Oh, a Jack shirt. This one's an extra large. I have extra large and 2 extra large. Let me show you the last thing I sold. It's actually to a watcher of the channel. So let me go show you the last one I sold. It's huge. This is the last sale of the weekend. Thank you, Richard. The viewer sale. He weighs 11 pounds. He's a monster. That's my chair. He takes up the whole chair. Well, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know it was kind of like an impromptu video, so it wasn't perfect. Next week I'll do a little bit better on the shakiness of the camera and probably clean up the area a little bit better so you can see different directions and more of the items that I sold. Anyways, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Take care, guys. See you next video.